Humans have different methods of selling and paying for necessities and things they desire to possess. One of the oldest methods happens to be the barter system, where people exchange services and goods for the same value. As time has passed, it has evolved into cash, which is still used to this day. But humans have found other alternatives that seem too good to be true, some of which are checks, credit cards, debit cards, mobile payments, electronic bank transfers, and our current topic for today, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has become a favorite of a lot of people nowadays, and we are about to understand how and why. Accordingly, the use of Bitcoin is widely thought to be better than gold and national currencies. Why do you think that is? Let's find out. But first, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoNow, and we're back with another incredible video. So please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. For today's video, we will be entering the world of Bitcoin. Upon browsing the internet, you might have encountered this term and wondered what it really is and what it helps us with. We are going to discuss what Bitcoin is, where it is earned from, and where it can be used. This information will lead us to why it is better than gold and national currencies. So, turn your volume up and be prepared to join the Bitcoin system. What is Bitcoin? Perhaps you are familiar with cryptocurrency, where the system for payment is done digitally. This may also be known as digital currency. Bitcoin is widely acknowledged and is used in this modernized system of payment. The unique thing that distinguishes Bitcoin from other cryptocurrencies is that it doesn't involve a central bank or even an administrator. You won't need such mediators with this system. How do you handle transactions then? Well, you can pay through user-to-user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network. This lives up to its technological structure by using the network as the pure foundation of the exchange between two sides. This could be one of the reasons why people don't like Bitcoin, as it operates through the web and isn't controlled by anyone in particular. If you have a Bitcoin account, you can manage it at your own free will. The places where this is extensively used are in the United States of America and the United Kingdom. However, it has been banned from other countries like China, Indonesia, Iran, and Colombia. They banned it because some people were using it for illegal purposes at home and some were having trouble coping with the use of cryptocurrency. You are lucky if you are able to use Bitcoin as a form of payment where you live. How can I get Bitcoin? The first thing you need to decide is what platform you're going to use to store your Bitcoin account on. There are a number of them you could choose from: Coinbase, Voyager, BlockFi, Uphold, Kraken, eToro, and other crypto sites. You must look into each one carefully so that you can decide which one to use. After deciding which platform you would like to use, you can either download it on your mobile or open it on a website on your computer. When you open this platform, you can make your own account for free and start earning and using Bitcoin as cryptocurrency for your purchases. A lot of people ask, how can you earn Bitcoin? If you think it's an intricate process, prepare to be surprised because it is actually easier than you think. We will be showing you the different ways that you can earn Bitcoin. One is to open a crypto browser. This is probably the easiest way to earn. You will encounter numerous websites that will enable you to acquire free Bitcoin just by engaging in various activities or simply spending time by opening these websites. The next way is through shopping rewards. You heard that right. You can earn Bitcoin through simply shopping, although this may come as a voucher. Another way is through selling some products and services. There are platforms which allow you to earn some Bitcoin when you sell products or services in their platform. With this method, all you get are benefits and earnings, so you really have nothing to lose. The last way we will be showing you is already fairly known and is used in other digital currencies too. You can earn Bitcoin by buying Bitcoin with your money. This is like depositing money in your Bitcoin account, and this is found in other cryptocurrencies too. As you have seen, a Bitcoin account is easily made and there are different techniques you can use to earn Bitcoin. These are all user-friendly and a potential laid-back job. This is one of the main reasons that a lot of people use and like this method of payment and earning. Before we proceed to the other half of this video, do you have a Bitcoin account? If so, which one of these methods do you use to earn? And if not, are you planning on getting one soon? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear your comments. Congratulations, we've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've loved it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. Spin the coins. When you have found the way you enjoy earning, you will eventually have enough coins to spend. Where exactly can you spend your Bitcoin? The good news is that you can spend it on both online and offline purchases. Any online acquisitions can be made from a number of retailers such as Microsoft, Xbox, Namecheap, Newegg, Overstock, and Shopify. These could be names you already know and utilize for different purposes, which may offer additional benefits when you pay for it. Now you can pay for it using Bitcoin. There are also online shops like Etsy that may not accept Bitcoin outright, but some of the sellers and customers have payment methods to be able to use the Bitcoin. Some service providers that may not accept Bitcoin firsthand or in indirect ways are AT&T, Dish Network, Proton Mail, Twitch, and Wikipedia. Using digital currency has become easier for these dealers. In fact, cryptocurrencies are also acknowledged in schools these days. This system for tuition payment is called Online Executive Education Program. You can use Bitcoin for crucial matters such as studying too. Let's now explore the possibilities of spending offline. Yes, you can now use it in the physical environment. There aren't many shops that have accepted the idea of receiving Bitcoin as payment, but we have a list of some who do. Baskin-Robbins, Crate & Barrel, GameStop, Home Depot, Starbucks, and Whole Foods. You can enjoy buying products in these aforementioned stores by using digital currency. Though not all branches offer the same exchange, so you should ask if they do accept such payment first. Aside from these known establishments, Landry's, who is the main parent company of such companies as Del Frisco's, Morton's, Chart House, and Bubba Gump Shrimp, have stated that they would also be open to this cryptocurrency as payment for their services. What's more is that even McDonald's and Burger King are considering this idea. You can enjoy such delights with Bitcoin. For more information on the stores that are accepting this type of payment, you can visit CoinMap. It shows the sellers that accept this form of payment as well as Bitcoin ATMs. Another site is Bitcoin.com, where it has a map that details where Bitcoin payment is recognized. Better than gold and national currencies. Easy, convenient, and fast. This is how Bitcoin can be described. From the information stated above, you might have an idea as to why it was dubbed better than gold and national currencies. You can earn it easily and spend it on a lot of things you like without having to consult a bank or anyone else for that matter. Bitcoin is believed to be store of value as of today, making it comparable to gold rather than dollars, pounds, or yen. This is where most businessmen invest their money and time in as fluctuations in value over the worth of Bitcoin increases. It is simply wise not to spend it on purchases, no matter how attractive, but instead invest in it as your earning grows. Unlike gold or national currency, you won't need to store it in a bank. You only need to keep track of the deposits and withdrawals in your account and be eager to earn more. At this rate, your stocks will rise fast. More coins means more income. Now that you've been informed as to how to make an account and as well as how to earn this type of currency, a Bitcoin is all you will ever need to make ends meet purchasing and investing. Indeed, it is better than the old types of payments we used to value in the past. That concludes today's episode. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is CryptoNow, and we'll see you in our next video.